Ja, mein Name ist Gerhard Stübs.
My name is Gerhard Stübs. I'm the production planner for the battery pack production. I'm responsible for our German manufacturing plant for battery packs.
Der Anlagen für unseren Akkupack. Dieser Akkupack
The AR3000L is a backpack battery that gives very long run times without having to change smaller batteries as often.
Die kleinen getauscht werden müssen. Für STIHL ist es
It is very important for STIHL that we manufacture this product here in Germany. It is a premium professional product. This is our first production line for battery packs in Germany, and we're constantly developing our site to implement new technology here in-house.
Unsere Kundinnen und Kunden.
Our customers expect STIHL products to be the highest quality in terms of application, charging, and longevity. To achieve this, we have developed many new processes and technologies, from our battery cell supply to our testing procedures, so that our customers get the very best quality.
Zur Verfügung zu stellen.